Hi, my name is Sarah Manuel. I'm here at Expo in Las Vegas, where we are showcasing our pneumatic and electric washdown demo. In this demonstration, we'll see that we've got multiple actuators. We have both pneumatic and electric shown here. We have our original line cylinders that are in all stainless steel, as well as an IP rated electric actuator where we have the connection between the actuator and the motor that has IP rating for washdown. We can do a standard IP65, or we can even do specials up to an IP69 rating as well. Then we also have shown here our original line cylinder with stainless steel end caps and plastic end caps, as well as our NFPA stainless steel cylinder. As you can see, we have a rotary actuator on the top here that is spraying water over all these actuators, and these just run all day in a washdown environment. The stainless steel flat one cylinders come with an IP69K rating as well. So these are perfect for washdown applications or food and beverage applications where bacteria or buildup might be a concern for your application. To find out more on these products, visit us at bimba.com or norgren.com.